I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Update Call of Duty Mobile and your device OS, and disconnect any external controllers. Once done, open Settings and go straight to Controls. Reset the layout to default and toggle off any aim or movement assists to isolate the issue. Make sure touch input is responsive in another app. These steps rule out simple causes so you don't waste time. They let you focus on the real causes like control layout, peripherals, or corrupted settings. Next, clear the game cache and, if necessary, app data, then reboot the device to remove corrupt temporary files. If the problem persists, reinstall the game so corrupted assets and configs are fully replaced. While reinstalling, inspect for screen overlays, floating apps, or accessibility services that can inject input. Disable them and recalibrate touch in device settings. Also test using the in-game training mode to reproduce the auto-back behavior. That helps you know if it's persistent or context-specific. Finally, reapply your preferred control layout and save a backup by screenshotting or noting settings. This makes recovery quicker. Test first in training mode, then in a casual match to confirm the auto-back issue is resolved. If the problem recurs, switch to another account or device to isolate whether it's account-specific or device-related. One key troubleshooting tip: if nothing else works, contact support with logs and a short video showing the input glitch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.